Do you know what is the #1 desire people have as they start to get older? It's not money, it's not expensive cars or houses, and although it's important, it's not even having more time. The one thing that everyone wants to have as the years add on is their youth. We want to be able to look like we used to. We want to be able to do all the physical activities we used to be able to. And we don't want to have to worry about things like wrinkles, aging, health problems, or anything else. We just want to be young and healthy. Well, for the first time ever, getting older doesn't mean we have to start looking older, feeling older, or living older. Introducing the company that is redefining the definition of youth, Rejuvenate Worldwide. With a commitment to helping people stay youthful and vibrant, our next generation of age-defying products, combined with the industry's most powerful compensation program, is helping people from all over the world stay young and healthy, both physically and financially. In fact, our award-winning anti-aging skincare serum, Ageless, is getting international recognition as the best skincare product of 2008, and deservingly so. If there has ever been a must-try product, Ageless is definitely it. With all the anti-wrinkle creams and other miracle formulas promising to make your skin look younger and healthier, there has never been a product like Ageless that is getting so much attention from doctors, estheticians, dermatologists, celebrities, and most importantly, average people just like you and me. With ingredients like collagen and elastin to firm and plump your skin almost immediately upon application, men and women from all ages and skin types are reporting that they look as many as 10 years younger within minutes of using it. Combine that with the proven antioxidizing and skin rejuvenating effects of ingredients like aloe vera gel, CoQ10, and extracts from 12 of the world's most powerful antioxidants, including acai, mangosteen, goji, and noni, to help rebuild skin tissue, erase wrinkles, and leave your skin looking younger and more radiant with each application. There is not a skincare product in the world that gets nearly the results of Ageless. Our detoxifying weight loss cleanse, Renew, is another home run. Recognizing that the average person could have between 5 and 20 pounds of excess waste buildup in their body at any time. Do you ever feel low energy levels, bloated, constipation, or just heavy in general? Renew is the first and only product of its kind uniquely formulated to help eliminate that excess waste, giving you more energy, feeling younger and looking thinner and feeling lighter within days of using it. In fact, many people report losing up to 12 pounds in just their very first week. The need for products of these types is huge and is growing each and every day. In fact, stories have been featured in popular magazines like Vogue and Allure, and on the internet, on such sites as MSNBC and WebMD, in newspapers including the New York Times, and on primetime television shows like 60 Minutes and Oprah, all referencing the need for people to stay young and healthy. Created by a team of the top formulators in the industry, we pride ourselves on using only the purest of ingredients and a top-notch manufacturing facility. We're so confident that you will love our world-class products that we guarantee you will not find a product anywhere that is more powerful or gets better results. And these are just two of the incredible products offered by our company. As we continue to grow, you will be able to experience results from our brain product, our heart product, our energy product, and all of the other highest quality products that we continue to bring to the market. There's a reason Rejuvenate Worldwide is being recognized as the most exciting and fastest growing company in the industry. Not only are we 100% committed to providing our customers the absolute best quality products on the market, but we also offer an opportunity for individuals to earn income through our powerful compensation program. With 4 generations of Fast Start bonuses every time a new customer or distributor tries our product, an incredible 6 generations of matching bonuses, and huge monthly leadership pools, our pay plan makes it simple for even the newest, most inexperienced person to generate extra income quickly and easily. in their spare time from home. In fact, while most companies pay out between 40 and 50% commissions to their distributors, Rejuvenate Worldwide's generous 72% potential payout is being recognized by experts as the most lucrative compensation plan in the industry. Plus, we provide you training from some of the most successful leaders in the world to give you all the tools, resources, and top marketing systems to help you achieve success quickly and easily. From the highest quality products available anywhere, to the most lucrative compensation program in the industry, to our corporate team that represents an unparalleled level of leadership, Rejuvenate Worldwide's innovative approach to both business and products is quickly setting us apart from any other company in the world. Do you know what is the number 2 desire people have as they start to get older? Yep. More money. Get started today and start your path to a younger, healthier, and more successful you. Welcome to Rejuvenate Worldwide.